How to send photo in TikTok messages. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Further, go ahead and open the conversation to whom you want to send the photo. Now, it is really important that you both follow each other on TikTok in order to be able to send photos to each other, as for privacy concerns, TikTok only allow users who follow each other to send photos to each other. So once you have made sure that you follow each other, tap on the photo icon you see there right beside the send message text box, and further go ahead and choose the photo that you want to send and then tap on the send option, and with this the photo will be sent. So this is how you can send photo in TikTok message. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.